For Thanksgiving, it is traditional to have a turkey. But dare I say it, we just don't like turkey that much. My wife is from Alabama, and there, barbecue reigns supreme. So today, we're going to eat a tri-tip sirloin cap, which has much marbling on it. It's delicious. Kind of like brisket. Ours is going to be just a couple of pounds, just perfect for us. But you can get it bigger, smaller. However, for this application, we're doing a pressure cooker. So smaller is much better. You want it to be small, so obviously you can fit it inside, and so it'll cook well through. All right, let's do it. Okay, now for the next 30 days, we're going to marinate our meat. Actually, it's 8 hours, but it feels like forever because it takes forever. It takes a long time for our tenderizer to work. Our tenderizer, which is basically salt, is going to open up the cells in the meat so that our flavoring can be absorbed into the meat, and so that we can taste it afterwards so it doesn't just fall out. Okay, now is time to marinate our meat. And Leo is super stoked about it, as you can hear. So, we're going to marinate our meat. Repeat. Barbecue sauce can be absorbed into our cells. Excuse me. Absorbed. All right, take it one more time.